All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's yet another 3D printed rocket day here at Halldale High School. There's our array of rockets, plus there's one on the pad, a ringtail. Are we ready to get started?
These are always fun. Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Nice! Boom! It actually worked. Uh-oh. It's going toward the cars, sadly.
I think so. Well, it started falling a lot faster. That's pretty good.
That was really successful.
That was very successful.
Here's the cast of characters for today's launch. All right, Casper's coming up. And make sure the 3, 2, 1 count is full seconds. Thank you.
All right. Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Yes, sir.
Boom! Oh, that did not work the way we would have hoped. Here we go. Setting up the next rocket. Different designs. There we go. Oops. Full seconds, don't forget.
Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that one is...
So the nose cone's completely gone.
The nose cone is gone. Okay, Casper.
Yes.
This one is an extra long nose cone.
Very nice.
All right, let's see how she does. That's cool.
Okay. Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
There you go.
Huh! I gotta say, Gerson returning with the smoldering carcass of yet another rocket. Oh, I wonder what happened. It did not explode. It didn't do the thing. Oh, the engine's gone. No, the engine's in there. Oh wow, the nose cone survived quite well.
Except for its little tip.
Well, I wonder why that didn't work. I gotta work on it.
All the colors over here.
All right, here we go.
Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Oh, that was nice.
Yeah.
It's a high flyer.
Oh, that one really hurt. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That one. All that. Look at his head now.
Okay.
Well,
Some things went wrong.
the fins are okay.
Yeah, the fin survived.
Probably reuse that. The nose cone looks good.
There's the debris
Oh, no, the
field.
nose cone's good.
The debris field is quite large. Will you pick up the debris, Casper?
I will.
Thank you. Okay, this is what you call a very small rocket and a very large motor, so hopefully it'll be fine.
Yellow.
Oh, that one's, oh, I see it.
That was fast. And it did. No, wait.
No, it's a missile.
That looked like.
All right, this rocket's break point is here at the fins. So we'll see if this one has a better chance of recovery. All right.
Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Little stability issue. Boof. Wow.
You hear that? That's the difference.
That didn't even come apart. I don't understand why they don't come apart. This is the big rocket of the
The
day.
biggest rocket ever fired. Well, it will be.
It's a very big one. It's an 80mm diameter. And on the big rod with an E rocket going on to the thing. Careful.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Oh
ICBM.
no!
Are there houses over there? No, there's highway.
No, it's highway.
Oh, wait. I saw that. I saw that.
Hit.